reproductive organs. Vas deferens carries sperms from the testes to the urethra during ejaculation. Testes produces sperm and testosterone, male sex hormones that affect the way body develops. Penis used for both the elimination of urine from the body and the delivery of sperm for sexual reproduction. Prostate produces a fluid that mixes with sperm to form semen, nourishing and protecting sperm. Urethra passageway for both urine and semen when exciting the body. Male reproductive organ. Male reproductive system is designed to produce, store and deliver male gamete sperms for fertilization and to secrete male hormones testosterone. Main parts of male reproductive system. First, primary sex organs, testes, structure oval shaped located in the scrotum outside abdominal cavity. Each testis is about 4 to 5 centimeter long and surrounding by a covering called tunica albuginea. Scrotum maintains temperature 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius lower than body temperature, essential for sperm production. Functions: produces male gametes, sperms in seminiferous tubules, produces hormones, testosterone from interstitial cells, bleeding cells. Second, accessory ducts. Epididymis, long coiled tube attached to testes, stores sperms and helps in their maturation and motility. Vas deferens, muscular tube carrying sperms from epididymis to urethra. Ejaculatory duct formed by union of vas deferens and seminal vesicle duct, transports sperms and secretions into urethra. Urethra, common passage for urine and semen, opens through penile urethra. Accessory glands, seminal vesicles, secrete 60 to 70% of semen. Secretions contain fructose, energy for sperms, prostaglandin and proteins, etc. Prostate gland secretes slightly alkaline fluid that neutralizes vaginal acidity. Bulbourethral covers gland secretes mucus for lubrication, clear fluid that neutralizes traces of acidic urine in urethra. Fourth, external genitalia. Penis, organ for copulation, contains erectile tissues that help in erections for insemination. Scrotum, sac-like structure holding the testes, maintains temperature required for spermatogenesis. Semen, thick whitish fluid containing sperms plus secretions of accessory glands. Volume 2 to 5 ml per ejaculation. Sperm count 200 to 300 million normal. Fertility require at least 60% normal shape and 40% motile sperms. Slightly alkaline, pH 7.2 to 7.8. Functions of Male reproductive system. First, production of spermatozoa, spermatogenesis in testes. Second, secretions of male hormones, testosterone and androgens. Third, transport and nourishment of sperm through ducts and glandular secretions. Fourth, ejaculation of semen into female reproductive tract for fertilization. Quick reason points: testes produce sperms and testosterone. Epididymis sperm storage plus maturation. Vas deferens transport. Seminal vesicle fructose majority semen. Prostate alkaline fluid. Copper's gland mucus lubrication. Penis for copulation. Scrotum for temperature and regulation. Thank you. Like, follow and share for more notes.